Alright everyone, I hope you can hear me. Right now, we got a good cloud over us, raining pretty good. It is Thursday morning, November 21st, I believe. I've got my couple days off of work here and I plan to be hunting, so today it's supposed to rain all day. That's why I'm out here in the box blind. I figured it'd be a nice dry, warm spot for me to go. I'm going to try my best to sit here for majority of the day, if not all day. I might break and go into town and get a haircut or something, but other than that, it was drizzling this morning. Not too hard, but enough it was wet out. It rained overnight, and now it's just pouring out. So I got my Mr. Buddy heater going. So it's nice and warm and dry in here, so we'll see. Alrighty guys, I just peeked out the window to my right and I saw 3 does. Looks like it could be a mom and 2 fawns. Alrighty guys, it's just a little bit after lunchtime. Those deer walked off and they're actually at the rye plot way up the hill from me. So I think what I'm going to do is go ahead and slip out of here. I'm going to run into town. I really don't want to leave because I feel like things are going to heat up, but I got some errands I got to get done. So I'm going to leave most of my stuff in here and I'm just going to slip out and go up there, do what I got to do, and then come right back down. So hopefully I don't regret leaving. We'll see. Alrighty guys, it's now 4:15. Sunset's 4:34, so we probably got another 45 minutes left, I would say, of shooting light. It's still raining, it's going to continue to rain, so haven't seen anything else. I'm hoping that something will come out at last light, but I don't know. This rain, I think, is just everyone's hunkered down. Unfortunately, it's been a slow day, but it's good to be out. I think I'm coming back here in the morning. The forecast keeps changing for tomorrow. It's saying 6 inches of snow, then it's down to 1 inch of snow. The latest I saw was 11.5 inches of snow, so I don't know what's going on, but the plan is probably to come here tomorrow morning to start. And hoping that when the snow hits the ground, these deer know that there's food here, so I'm hoping they're going to start hitting this. So we'll see if anything comes out the last little bit of light, but if not, we'll catch him before we leave, so stay tuned. Alrighty guys, good morning, welcome back. We're back in the box blind here this morning. It's about 6:35 maybe. I've been in here for about 15-20 minutes now, and it's snowing pretty good. It's kind of a wet snow right now, but there probably is at least 2 to 3 inches on the ground. Last night when I left, right after I got out of here, there was a couple does in the food plot, and then overnight there was some, so that being said, we'll see what the morning brings. Alrighty guys, so we just had this fawn come out. I had one run through the food plot before. I think it was another fawn, but I don't know where this one came from. I just saw it. It looks like a smaller deer. It might not be a fawn, but it's definitely a smaller doe. She just ripped up a huge, big and beastie turnip I wanted to try and get on film, but let's see where she goes. My windows are getting all fogged up. Alrighty guys, I just finally got a photo of a decent buck. I'm not 100% sure what he is. Probably 200 yards from me, so I might try and rattle quick and see if I can get this buck to come in. We'll see. I just got a photo of him. Alrighty guys, we're winding down here. It's probably about 4:30 now. Dark is around 5 o'clock. I had that little 8-pointer come through, finally. There was one that came on my bottom corner of the trail cam, same size buck as that. And he ended up on my trail cam up the hill with those 3-4 does. And that spike wandered off up there too. And then this one came back down through from that bottom corner. I do have a stand over there. I've never hunted it though, but that might be the spot I need to go to. So, other than that, I'm glad I finally saw a decent little buck in here, but there's a couple nice ones I'm waiting on. So, all I need is a quick appearance, and I'll get a shot. That buck came through, textbook, exactly what I needed a bigger one to do. So, we're gonna hang tight until dark and see what we see, and if not, I will catch you guys in the tree tomorrow morning. I'm hopefully gonna go to that other spot. So, that being said, we appreciate you guys watching, and we'll see what happens the rest of this evening.